Moving out to the final planet. Timing, everybody. It's all in the timing. Is Neptune. Neptune is blue. It is another one of these giant gaseous planets. It has a lot of methane in its atmosphere, and methane absorbs red light. So sunlight hits it, red light, white light, red light, yellow light, blue light, all that stuff hits it. But it tends to only let that blue light reflect back. So we see it looking blue, and I've seen it through a telescope. It is not big enough even through my telescope to see as much more than a dot. But it was absolutely blue. It's just like the same color as the Earth is in pictures of Earth from space. So it's fantastic. I love that. It's the other blue planet. It is tremendously far away. It's actually roughly the same distance Pluto is from the Sun, 3 billion miles, 5 billion kilometers. And so it's extremely difficult to study. We did have one space probe pass by it, that was Voyager 2, and we were able to get some decent pictures of it up close. Even though we don't know a huge amount about it, we do know some things that are actually pretty astonishing. If Jupiter has a persistent hurricane for centuries, and Saturn has the biggest storm we've ever seen in the solar system, Neptune has incredible winds. As Voyager passed by, it was able to take pictures of these clouds. There were high altitude clouds above most of the atmosphere there, and you can see them all whipped out into these beautiful cirrus-like clouds. Over time, it was able to take several pictures and clock how fast these clouds were moving, and they were traveling at 1,350 miles an hour, which is crazy fast! That's twice the speed of sound on Earth. So there are upper-level winds in Neptune that are screaming around this planet at unbelievable velocities. Now on Earth, the winds are whipped up by heat from the sun and the Earth's rotation. Neptune is spinning pretty quickly. It's spinning faster than the Earth, and it's bigger, so it has a bigger Coriolis effect, but it's 3 billion miles away. The amount of sunlight it's getting is way less than the Earth is. The heat it's getting from the sun is not a whole lot. And so, the source of power that is pushing these atmospheric winds isn't entirely understood. And I love that. I love mysteries. I love that we can find this stuff out and then go, ooh, that's weird. And then that's great. The saddest thing ever for me is like putting in the last square of a crossword puzzle, because then I'm done. And to always have more mysteries is great.